Ningli looks at the 6 pairs of numbers that are directly across from each other on a clock face. The numbers 1 through 12. She takes the average of each pair. What is the average of the resulting 6 numbers? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. On a clock, the number directly across from any number is 6 hours away. So the opposite pairs are 12 and 6, 1 and 7, 2 and 8, 3 and 9, 4 and 10, and 5 and 11. Each pair is joined by a straight line through the center. Now take the average of each pair. 12 and 6 average to 9. 1 and 7 average to 4. 2 and 8 average to 5. 3 and 9 average to 6. 4 and 10 average to 7. And 5 and 11 average to 8. Finally, average those 6 results. 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 39. And 39 divided by 6 is 6.5. Here's a neat shortcut. The average of all 12 clock numbers is already 6.5. And averaging pairs and then averaging those keeps the same overall average. So the average of the 6 numbers is 6.5.